are going to be comparing this pump to the Spectra. Yes. Okay, so we've got the Spectra here, which everyone agrees is kind of like the known and very reliable breast pump that most people have used and loved. So the purpose for this is to compare the cycle speeds, because a lot of people, one of the biggest determining features of how well they respond to a breast pump is the number of cycles per minute. So how fast is it pulling at your nipples? That can determine how well or not so well that people respond to a breast pump. So some people respond to faster cycle speeds, like myself, and some people respond to slower cycle speeds. So we're going to be comparing the cycle speeds of the Vital Baby versus the known cycle speeds of Spectra. Okay, so I'm first of all going to switch Spectra on, and we're going to put it to stimulation mode. And Spectra has a standard cycle speed of 70 cycles per minute, as you can see there. Okay, which means that it is going 70 times in 1 minute. So we're going to be comparing the Vital Baby cycle speeds on the stimulation mode versus the Spectra. So bearing in mind, Vital Baby has 9 levels on stimulation mode and Spectra only has 1. So that, first of all, is a unique feature that allows more customization with the Vital Baby as opposed to the Spectra. So I'm going to switch it on now. So you can see there straight away, you can realize that the number 1 on the Vital Baby is much, much faster than the Spectra, which means that you can get much higher cycle speeds with the Vital Baby than with the Spectra. Okay, let's increase the suction. You can see number 2 is still faster than the Spectra. Still faster than the Spectra. Still faster than the Spectra. Still faster. Still faster. Still faster. Still faster. So we have gotten to number 9. And the Vital Baby still has a faster cycle speed than the Spectra S1. So if you're looking for high cycle speeds, this is a good pump for you. Look at that. Still going faster than the Spectra. Okay, now let's switch to expression. And we're going to also switch the Spectra to expression. And I'm going to start with the highest, which is the 54 cycles per minute, as you can see there. So you can see that the Vital Baby is actually slightly faster than the Spectra on the first suction mode for expression. So it's actually at number 2 that you then match the Spectra. So you can actually achieve a higher cycle speed on expression mode with the Vital Baby. The very first one is slightly faster than the Spectra's fastest cycle. All right. Now I'm going to go all the way to the top. So that's number 9. And I'm going to compare it with the lowest on the Spectra, which is 38 cycles per minute. So this tells me that this is actually slightly slower than the Spectra. If you can hear it, it's slightly slower than the Spectra's 38 cycles per minute. So that means that it has a wider range than the Spectra. So at the lowest range, it is faster on expression mode, and at the highest range, it is slower on expression mode than the Spectra. Let me take it back one and see if we can match the Spectra. Okay, still slower. Okay, still a little bit slower. Yes, this is it. So number 6 suction level on the Vital Baby is the same as the lowest on the Spectra. So which means you still have 3 more levels that is much slower on the Vital Baby than on the Spectra, which is amazing, which means you have much more of a range with the Vital Baby, both on stimulation and on expression as well. And when you compare these two, well, you can see the difference in size. This is what you would consider a portable pump, whereas this here is quite bulky in comparison to this. Now, in terms of sound, well, I would say that their sound is about the same, though the Spectra may be just a teeny little bit quieter. So finally, in terms of price, this is also much cheaper than the Spectra. This retails at £99 or £100 or so, whereas this is about £160. Okay, and that's for the Spectra S1. So this is much cheaper. But bear in mind though, that this is a single electric pump, whereas this is a double electric. So you're only gonna get this one pump part and bottle, whereas with the Spectra, you're gonna get 2. So the purpose of this video is so that you can make an informed decision about whether to buy this breast pump if you already know the things that you like in a breast pump, right? So I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you and see you in my next video.